Welcome. If you want your voice chats on Discord to sound clearer and more consistent, enabling auto-sensitivity in your voice settings is a simple way to let Discord automatically adjust your microphone's input level for you. This ensures your voice is always picked up, without having to constantly tweak the mic settings yourself. Here's how you can enable auto-sensitivity in Discord, step by step, using the latest version of the app. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. On mobile, you'll find it in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to open up your user settings. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled App Settings. In this section, tap on the option that says Voice. This will take you to all the voice and audio settings available for your account. Within the voice settings, you'll see several options related to input and output. Look for the setting called Input Sensitivity. Here, you'll notice a toggle labeled Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity. To enable auto-sensitivity, simply tap this toggle so that it's switched on. When enabled, Discord will automatically adjust your microphone's sensitivity based on the sounds it detects, helping to filter out background noise and make sure your voice comes through loud and clear. With auto-sensitivity turned on, you don't need to manually adjust any sliders. Discord will handle the fine-tuning for you, which is especially helpful if you're in a noisy environment, or if your speaking volume changes throughout your conversation. That's it. You've now enabled auto-sensitivity in Discord's voice settings. This small adjustment can make a big difference in your voice chat experience, whether you're gaming, catching up with friends, or joining a community call. If you ever notice issues like your voice getting cut off, or background noise sneaking in, you can always return to these settings and fine-tune them as needed. But for most users, auto-sensitivity is a great way to keep things simple and sounding great. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Discord voice chats.